What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears, the YouTube channel about everything automotive. Today is day 3 of Crusin Ocean City's Endless Summer event here in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland. It wouldn't be Ocean City if we didn't stop by the beach for at least a minute. I love this town, I really do. So today's giveaway is going to be this really cool Bangin Gears baseball cap and of course a Bangin Gears COVID face mask. Just remember, you need to be subscribed to Bangin Gears on YouTube. Like and comment on that video, and that puts you in the running to win the gear. All the winners of all the gear will be announced in a video in about a week. And just remember, if you don't win and you'd like your own Bangin Gear stuff, mask, shirts like the one I have on, Fear the Gear, you could always purchase your own Bangin Gear stuff. There's a link in the description below to my Teespring store, and I have a whole bunch of shirts on there as well. So sit back, relax, enjoy today's video. We'll see you tomorrow for video number 4, the final video, and we'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.